We are doing some fall camping. It's going to be in the low 30s in the rooftop tent, so it'll be new to us. We're going to use our Coleman Camp Oven and try and make some apple crisp. Not try, we will make some delicious apple crisp. So we're going to use our camp oven. We've done it once in our house with cinnamon rolls. We're going to try it while we're camping. Fairly simple to put together. Top pulls down, sides go out, slide the shelf in. We picked a bunch of apples from our apple trees. Okay, this apple peeler is pretty convenient because instead of hand peeling, you use this thing and it just peels and cores. And voila! This recipe is pretty simple. It's my grandmother's. I'm sure that there are 1,000 other ones out there. It takes a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon cinnamon, and a stick of butter. 350 for 45 minutes in the oven. We normally take our travel trailer when it's cold out, but we're giving our rooftop tent a test run in this colder weather. The recipe calls for 6 apples, but I normally add a little bit more. You're gonna spread out the apples, fill it to the top because they do sink down. This campground has 2 loops. One's more of RV and this one is the tent one, very heavily wooded. Nice thing about the Silver Falls is that there is a trail that goes, I think about 7 to 10 miles, and there are 10 waterfalls along the trail. So the rain is supposed to hold off, but it is going to be in the low 30s, so we did bring our 0-degree sleeping bags. We have our apples. Now we go to our dry ingredients, which we combined at home. Got our flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, and a pine needle, but we'll take that out. You're gonna take your stick of butter. We use Earth Balance, chopping up the butter, and we're gonna dice it up into small little bits. Easier to mix in the flour mixture. I do half of it into the butter mixture, set some of it aside, sprinkling the mixture right on top of the apples, spreading it evenly about. We take that extra butter and strategically put it about. It's gonna melt and make it a little bit golden mixed into the mixture. Gonna get the oven on. This is ready to go. It's gonna go into the oven that has been preheated at 350. It's all heated up. And let's put it inside. $375, so we heated it up a little bit too hot, so maybe it won't have to cook so long. Yeah, you can totally smell the apples. And it's getting colder. I had to put a coat on. Luckily, this is like a little heater. It smells really good. Should we look and take a peek? Oh, it's boiling. It is getting a little too hot. We're having to constantly adjust it because, you know, it's a camp stove. Turn it down just a little bit. This is the first time using our Coleman oven in the wild. We do have another video of it being in use inside the house, just a test run. Check it out here. The temperature has been bouncing around between 300 and 400 degrees, so I think that after a half an hour, we're gonna go ahead and take it out. It's getting a little bit brown on the bottom. I think it may have been a little bit hotter than the temperature gauge showed, which is why it's a little brown. Oh, that looks like it's gonna be tasty though. It's still boiling. Look at the steam coming off of it because it's so cold outside. Let's give it a try. Might be too hot though. Has a nice crunch, which is like the best part of apple crisp. We'll definitely have to try out some other recipes in our oven. Maybe not just dessert like cinnamon rolls and apple crisp. Let us know if you've cooked any awesome meals while camping in your oven. If you have some great ideas for us, let us know. I'll put the recipe in our description below and the links to the oven. Thanks for watching. See you next time.